Hi, I am Akinshola Samson. You're welcome to this video course on animating a walk cycle like a pro. All 18 episodes on this course will be uploaded on our YouTube channel once per week. However, you can get the full video course on our website, Levonotion.com. It's time to walk. Let's animate a walk. Hi guys, welcome to this lesson. And in this video, we're going to move up the hierarchy of this character a bit, and we'll be going to the chest this time around. Remember, we started with the foot and then we moved to the torso. Now we're going to the chest of this character. So you want to select the chest of the character, go to frame 1, and we need to rotate this in the Z rotation of this particular control. And to decide on what we're about to do, let's take a look at the foot in front. So the character has his right foot in front. That means the left arm would swing forward. So I'm just going to grab that and rotate this forward. So minus 0.2, let's say minus 0.23, minus 0.23. And I'll just set the keyframe there. Okay, so since you are dealing with rotation Z, it's good to just go straight to the graph editor, Shift H, A, and frame that. Okay, so I want a frame 25 to be the same thing as frame 1, just as we've always done. Ctrl V. And on frame 13, we need to have it flipped. Ctrl Shift V. Okay, so that is not working here. Let's get out the values then. Minus 0.230, so 13. Minus 0.230, I'm just going to change it manually. Let's set a keyframe. So A, frame all, and now you have this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right, this looks good, but I want to reduce the movement a bit. So S and Y, bring it down just a little bit. Let's see this. Yeah, this is cool. I think I like this. This is a perfect degree of rotation. So, okay. Now, I also noticed that my attribute doesn't have the make cyclic function, and I want to be able to see it repeated. So I'm just going to select on everything once again, Alt H to unhide all the attributes, A to select all, come here and go to extrapolation mode, that is under channel, extrapolation mode, and you want to click on make cyclic. So now let's go back to our chest control, Y rotation, I guess. No, we're on Z rotation. So Shift H, A, frame it, and now you can see my posts and pre-interpolations there. So this is what I want. Again, one more thing before we call this a wrap is the movement of the head. It's a good time to quickly fix that. So you want to go to the Z rotation of the head. And by the way, let me do this from the front view so you can see what is going on clearly. I would like to hide these cameras. At the moment, they are all getting into the view region. So also I would like to hide the rig. I know I'm going in the Z rotation, so just hide the rig so you see what exactly. Well, before I hide the rig, look at the blue line here. Just imagine this as the center line and see how the head moves. You see? It is rotating way too much. So this is what I want to balance. Okay. So I'm just going to click on hide the rig first. And I want to go to Z. No, that's the wrong one. I just twisted my character's neck. So Y. Okay, fine. So this is what I'm looking for. Y. Let's have this on 0. And frame 1, I need my graph. I need a graph, but I won't hide the armature. So let's do this. Armature, hide. Cool. All right. So Y should just go back a little bit. This is 0.08. Let's say that 0.08. I hope that isn't too much. Let's try 0.05. Okay. So I'm going to set a keyframe here for Y. Insert single keyframe. Okay, so frame 1 would always be the same as frame 25. Control V. And frame 13 should be the opposite. So this should have minus. Set a keyframe there. So you have plus. Why don't you want to go in? Minus, enter, replace single keyframe. So A and frame all, exactly. So now you have this. The head is moving, but it's not moving as much as it was initially. Yeah, so it's cool. So look at the difference. I just disabled the head rotation. You can see how much the head is moving. It's rotating way too much, and I don't want that. So I had to counterbalance the animation for the head, and now you have a better solve for this head. You can see that, right? Okay. And if you want to have a bit of that motion there, you can still reduce this SY. Let's reduce it just a little bit. Let's see. So the rotation is there now, just a little bit. It's still not as broad as without. You see the difference? This is way too much. And with our corrected animation, so it looks good and way better. So we're going to leave it this way and call this lesson a wrap. So in the next lesson, we'll have to continue working on our character to make sure we have a very good and nice walk cycle. So see you in the next lesson.